Disassembly and installation of the front fork. Remove the front brake hose retaining clip. Remove the front caliper mounting bolts. Remove the front brake caliper mounting bracket. First, remove the stem top cap bolt, then loosen the bolts on both sides. Loosen the screws on the upper front shock mounting plate and the tube mounting screw. Remove the spacer. Remove the upper front shock mounting plate. Remove the screws that the front light bracket. Disconnect the front light wiring. Remove the front light. Remove the front fork protector. Remove the spacer. Remove the front fork from the frame. Remove the ball bearing and the ball bearing spacer. Remove the front wheel fixing screws and take off the front wheel. Prepare the front fork installation components. Loosen the screws on the upper front shock mounting plate and the tube mounting screw. Remove the upper front shock mounting plate. First, install the bearing spacer. Then, install the ball bearing. Make sure to pay attention to the orientation. Place the flat side down. Install the front fork onto the frame. Install the ball bearing with the flat side facing up. Install the conical axle tube spacer. Compress it, and ensure the axle tube is centered. Install the protector block. Install the compression washer, then attach the compression plate and press it firmly into place. Tighten the mounting screws. Install the washers first, then install the stem. Adjust the handlebars to be parallel with the front fork. Tighten the stem base tube mounting screw. Tighten the stem bolts on both sides. Install the front light, secure the fastening clamp, and tighten the fixing screws. Connect the front light cable. Install the front wheel. Tighten the front wheel fixing screws. First, install 2 bolts without fully tightening them to prevent the bracket from being misaligned. Tighten the upper short bolt first, then remove the long bolt. Install the brake caliper, but do not tighten the bolts yet. Hold the brake lever, then tighten the caliper mounting bolts to prevent the caliper from rubbing against the brake disc. Install the front brake hose retaining clip.